Hi friends! Welcome to the Cambridge Sculpture Garden. This little garden is located in the city of Cambridge, Ontario, right along the Grand River. It was created to showcase public art in an outdoor setting. This piece, a 27-foot-long driftwood boat, is called "Everything Will Be Fine," a graffiti that the artist saw in Switzerland that left a lasting impression on him. This piece is called "Twilight" by Andreas Gehr. These bee hotels were created for the survival of the area's native bees. This one was my favorite one. It's called "Easy to Assemble." It's a shed. How creative! This lovely pedestrian bridge is in the same location as where an old railway bridge used to cross. You can cross the Grand River and get to the lovely river walk on the other side.